Your search results are normally sorted by relevance, not by date. To find newer articles, try the following options in the left sidebar. Click Since Year to show only recently published papers, sorted by relevance. Click Sort by Date to show just the new editions, sorted by date. Click the envelope icon to have new results periodically delivered by email. Abstracts are freely available for most of the articles. Alas, reading the entire article may require a subscription. Here are a few things to try. Click a link labeled PDF to the right of the search result. Click All Versions under the search result and check out the alternative sources. Click Related Articles or Cited by under the search result to explore similar articles. If you're new to the subject, it may be helpful to pick up the terminology from secondary sources. E.g., a Wikipedia article for overweight might suggest a scholar search for pediatric hyperalimentation. If the search results are too specific for your needs, check out what they're citing in their references sections. Referenced works are often more general in nature. Similarly, if the search results are too basic for you, click Cited by to see newer papers that reference them. These newer papers will often be more specific. Explore. There's rarely a single answer to a research question. Click Related Articles or Cited by to see closely related work, or search for author's name and see what else they have written.